Alrighty, this is the next one. This one here is serial number 150222. Now, this one here still has its original carburetor on it. I haven't messed with anything. The only thing I'm going to do is put a new spark plug in it. Well, not a new one. The spark plug out of the one that we just had running. We'll start in there. And I'm not going to tighten that up there very tight. Need a pair of pliers to squeeze it on there just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to hook the gas to this one, and we're going to try just to see if this one will run, because when I got these two look like they have been just rebuilt, refurbished, whatever you want to call it. So chances are they will run. So I'm just going to try this one just the way it is. Now I do notice this one has no choke lever on it. The choke lever broke, so I don't know how good that's going to work. Okay, that should be tight enough now. I'm going to, where is my starter plug? There it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this. Let's do this. I'm going to stick this in here and I'm going to tape it so that when I pull them, if it does fire, I can get it off so it doesn't come up and smack me in the lips and make me sad for the whole day. There's nothing worse than a sad Smoott. We'll get some black tape up around here too. And I brought my laptop out here. Got it hooked up, but it doesn't seem to want to connect very good. So, but anyways, okay, here we go. This is the second of the motors that I have. We're just gonna. I haven't done nothing to this one. This one's just, we're gonna try it. So this is a cold start, old start of the second motor. Oh, wait for it, Harley Davidson. Okay, here we go. Oh, this one's gonna go too. My goodness. Maybe not. Oh, I had the gas mixture all messed up there too. So. This one's running. Kill switch on that one. Well, there. That's the number 2. Ooh, smoky. That one burns a little oil. Ooh. Well, that's 2 out of 5 we have running. Oh, my goodness. Okay, well, I'm going to rip this gas line off of here. pull that spark plug out. And we're just going to drag up another motor. Well, I was wondering about these two, because when I got these, like I was telling you earlier, a buddy of mine got these at an auction sale up in North Battleford. And these two look like they have been rebuilt, or of some, like, I don't know totally how much rebuilt they were. But they have been refurbished somewhat. They're painted up, so I'm thinking that there was definitely something done to them. And I'm thinking that's why they started so good. Here's an old plug here. I don't want to leave them without a plug in them, because get garbage in the cylinder. So let's just kick this one. Ooh, that's warm. Oh. We'll throw this one off to the side. This one up. Yeah. This one doesn't have a carburetor on it at the moment, but I'm pretty sure that with a couple of twists of the old screwdriver here, we can smash one on there. Now I've had pretty good luck. I don't see why this one won't work. I've had pretty good luck with the carburetors. Or is this the one that's got the screwed up poopy on it? Let's just screw it on here and see. Well, that thread's on there, beauty. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this carburetor on there. We're going to hook the gas to it. Smash the spark plug into it. And without doing anything to the motors other than hooking gas lines up to them, we're going to see if this one goes too. So far we're 2 for 2. And the two that I've had running, I really haven't done anything to them other than hook a little bit of gas to them. But like I said too, they also look like they were in good shape and probably running. So this one here doesn't look like it's been touched mechanically in a long time. Ouch! Oh, I gotta love doing that. Got myself a little metal sliver stuck in the iron in my thumb. Better open a beer and console myself there. Oh yeah, that's a gooder too. Got it. Nope. Okay, so now we're going to take that same spark plug because we know it works. What are we at? Oh, we're at 8 minutes already. So, just bear with me, peoples. My account's good for 15 minutes now, or longer. Okay, we've got the spark plug hooked up there. Smash the gas on there. And we'll just see how this one goes. Now, I don't know about this carburetor. I've never had this one running. So. Oh, no, I'm lying to you. This is the carburetor off of the first motor that we had running. We know this carburetor's good. We know the spark plug's good. So, let's see how this motor goes. Here we go. First try. No, sparky. Okay, we're not getting no firing here, so let us see quick if it's a spark problem or if it is a gas problem. I just unscrew this spark plug. Sticker there and sticker there. Now let's see if I got any spark. Whoa! I got a good jolt off of it. But I'm not getting no spark to the plug now. Whoa. Okay, now, why is this? Is this not the plug that we just had running? Feels cold. Wait a minute. This plug is nice and hot. Let's try this one. Oh, there's them damn ducks again. I'm getting spark here. Okay, I'm getting spark to that plug. So let us try this one more time to see if we can get this to fire up. Now I'll see what happens. Well, maybe we're not getting enough spark to it, I guess. That's no good. We're getting gas. Seems like we're not getting any spark here. Well, let's see. I'll shock myself again. Whoa! Okay, we're definitely getting spark. I'm thinking maybe we have a bad plug. I dropped that plug there a bit ago. I'm just wondering if maybe I didn't foobar the plug when I dropped it. I'm not getting any spark to the plug right now. Not getting any spark out of the plug. Okay, well, this is 13 minutes into this video, so I'm going to pause this one. I'll edit it up and get it on the internet there for you, and I'm going to try to find the spark plug that gives me spark, and then I'll film from there. Okay, thanks for watching this one. Smoott out. Okay, before I post this, a quick update. I grabbed a NGK plug, brand new one out of the box. As you can see, it's quite a bit different, so I can't thread it in there and give her a go. But I'm getting mega spark from that. And I'm not getting any spark from the other three here, so I'm going to call it quits on this one for the night because it is getting dark. It's 8:30, quarter after 8. I want to get this one edited and posted up there, and I will stop by tomorrow to Crappy Tire there and see if I can't find myself some spark plugs, and we'll just see if we can't get this thing going. Now, how deep do I get in here, first of all? Because I don't know, maybe I can thread this one in there if it's not hitting anything. get a spark going to it. Huh. Okay, well, we're not hitting nothing. Let's just give her a try. What the hell? We're here. Give her a shot. Okay, had to try. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to have to pick up some new spark plugs for this one tomorrow, and we'll go from there. But anyways, thanks for watching. Smoott out.